Andrea Belotti, known as Il Gallo, grew up in the football-loving town of Calcinate, Italy. His career started modestly in Serie B, but his talent was unmistakable. After joining Torino FC in 2015, Belotti quickly made a name for himself. His relentless energy, leadership qualities, and goal-scoring prowess earned him the captain's armband and admiration across Serie A. Despite Torino's struggles in the league, Belotti's commitment and loyalty to the club have inspired many young footballers. His influence extends to the Italian national team, where he continues to shine as a crucial player, embodying tenacity and resilience in every match.